Good morning and welcome to your pre-market report for Wednesday, March 18th, 2026. Let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends, and stocks to watch before the markets open. U.S. markets closed modestly higher, with the Dow and S&P 500 posting small gains while the Nasdaq outperformed slightly. The rise comes despite crude oil prices staying above $100 and ongoing geopolitical tensions, as investors remain cautiously optimistic. Asian markets opened sharply higher on Wednesday, with Japan's Nikkei gaining over 2% and South Korea's Kospi surging nearly 4%, leading a strong regional rally. The gains come on the back of improving global cues and easing concerns, although volatility in crude oil prices continues to keep investors cautious. GIFT Nifty futures as of 8 a.m. was trading at 23,672, thereby indicating a flat to positive opening for the Indian markets today. Crude oil prices remain highly volatile, as ongoing Middle East tensions and risks around key supply routes like the Strait of Hormuz continue to keep supply concerns elevated. Gold prices are trading slightly lower to range-bound, pressured by a stronger US dollar and rising bond yields, although safe haven demand continues to provide underlying support amid geopolitical uncertainty. Varun Beverages subsidiary has acquired 100% stake in South Africa-based Crude Dairy for 131 crore rupees, marking its entry into value-added dairy and juice-based beverage segments. Tata Steel has approved the merger of Neelachal Ispat Nigam with itself and plans to invest up to 2,000 crore rupees in its foreign subsidiary, strengthening its global operations. Mafatlal Industries has secured a 114 crore rupees contract to set up 500 robotic labs in Odisha schools, aimed at boosting STEM education and experiential learning over the next 5 years. Given the flat to positive open expected for Nifty today, following mostly positive global cues from a strong open in the Asian markets, a continuation in recovery with a narrow range may be expected today. Supports at the bottom will be at 23,500, followed by 23,360, while resistances on the way up will be at 23,675, followed by 23,825. Sustained volatility in crude oil prices near the $95 to $100 range, ongoing geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, and continued FYI outflows could keep market sentiment fragile and trigger intermittent volatility. Strong global cues from a rally in U.S. and Asian markets, cooling crude oil prices from recent highs, and continued robust domestic institutional buying, along with positive developments in metals, beverages, and education-linked sectors, could support an upside in Indian equities. Yesterday, foreign institutional investors were net sellers of about 4,741 crore rupees, while domestic institutional investors were net buyers of around 5,225 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on March 18, 2026. For more such updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.